So I've made over $1.7 million selling ebooks online, and I honestly think I was able to generate over $1.7 million in royalties and become a self-made millionaire at age 26. I personally made over $1.7 million with this business model. My name is Sean, and I've made over $1.7 million in royalties from my own Amazon KDP business.
So basically, in all his videos, the first thing he says is that he made $1.7 million selling books on Amazon KDP. But he's not the only one.
All right, so I'm proudly making between $250,000 and $500,000 a month selling online courses, sometimes
a lot more. And here comes another one.
In the last 5 years, I sold over 1 million of these pet portraits all over the world, and I started the business with less than $100.
Another one of my favorites.
Over the last 6 years, I've made over $14 million online from 11 different income streams.
And even I am no different. I keep showing you my results. We made 8 figures. That means over $10 million over the years, basically through one business model. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content, and inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video. If you have a 9-to-5 day job or you have an existing business, then you have very little time to investigate and find out who is true and who is false. Let me help you understand. This guy, Sean, has 326,000 subscribers. And if you look closely, literally all his videos are about book publishing. But that's not all. There is a little twist in his kind of book publishing. I'll come back to that in a moment. This guy has 93,000 subscribers. To be honest, he doesn't really share a lot of value in his videos. I mean, not in all his videos. Most of the videos are like motivational. That's okay, as long as people love his content. He is all about course creation, course selling, and helping people with selling courses. This guy made his money from selling these little portraits. And this guy, Adam and Froy, started making money with affiliate marketing, specifically using blog. Then he branched out to multiple other systems. And now that he has enough experience, he works as a high-paid consultant. He makes money as a content creator, and of course, a little bit of affiliate marketing, so on and so forth. But all of them has one thing in common, and that's probably the one thing that most people don't like. Let me show you what that is. If you go to descriptions of his videos and click one of his links, you will be taken to this page. This website is basically selling his program or his course. It shows results of his clients and students. Tons of them have made money, and the details of his course modules, video testimonials of his existing students and clients. And if you click this Get Started button, you will have to apply to join. So you're not just going to click a buy button, buy a program and enroll. You have to fill in the form. Then maybe someone from his team will reach you out, or maybe schedule a call and then sell you a high ticket program. Bad thing. Who wants to be sold with a high ticket program? Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Similarly, if you go to this guy's description, click on this link, and he will show you how to create, launch, and scale an online course to $100,000 a month with his streamlined protocol. That's a fancy name, by the way. End of the day, they're all same. But here is a 12 minutes long video. He will guide you step by step what he and his team will do to take your course to $100,000 a month. Now, if you noticed, this is not exactly for beginners. It's not saying that you can be a beginner and earn $100,000 a month. He's saying how I help people turn their expertise, passion, and skills into thriving online education business, which means either you have to have skills, expertise, or you already have an existing education business. He and his team and his streamlined protocol is going to take you to $100,000 a month. And in this video, he will explain how he's going to do that. And there are two different programs. One is a Course Creator Launchpad. Another one is Course Creator Accelerator. Okay, we do not need to go deeper. We're just checking how they operate and what's common in all of them. Now, this guy made $1 million selling this artwork. If you click on the link in his description, he will just ask you to book a call. And it is a paid call, $499, straightforward. You book a call, you make the payment, and you hop on a call with him. And here is Adam. Click his link. He has a similar website with a detailed video, which is also called VSL or Video Sales Letter, some description about what they are going to do, a little details about what's inside. And then once you are ready, you have to put your name, your email, and you have to book a call with them. Then somebody will hop on a call with you and will make you a big ticket offer. Doesn't sound that good, right? All of them are trying to make money off you. Let's look at this from another point of view. All of them has gone through a 5-step process called LIGHT. It's a framework. The first thing is, before I tell you the first thing, money is in the second step. And big money is in this step. So, step number 1, learn yourself. All of them learned themselves, including me. I spent a long time learning. I kept learning and I keep learning. I always have a one-on-one mentor. And I never paid less than $10,000 for a one-on-one mentor. Step number 2, where you start making money, is implement. Imagine what he could show you through his program. He can show you how he makes money through Amazon KDP. And after having a successful YouTube channel, making tons of money from YouTube views, AdSense, selling course and coaching programs, and earning a lot of affiliate commissions, he can also teach you how to make videos, how to run an effective, successful YouTube channel from scratch and make tons of money out of it. I can tell you because this is exactly what we have done. My company's made tons of money. This is just one account on Warrior Plus. And as a product owner or product vendor, we made $4.4 million in sales revenue and $783,000 in affiliate commissions just from one account. But even after that, I wasn't happy because I made all my money selling softwares. So I was the one making money. My customers were not necessarily making money. So I figured I need to do something that our beginner customers can learn, implement, and make money like me. So I joined a program myself, went under mentorship, and learned how to make short videos. We even improvised when AI came to market. Now we use AI in every step of our process, and we make short videos. Now we make money from these short videos. And we teach exactly the same thing in our 99% Done For You program. So we learned something ourselves, we implemented, and we actually made money doing the same. Then we created a program and started helping others. So step number 3 is already covered. Get results or make money. Now, when you started getting results, it's time to help others get similar results. Because only then you will be able to take the last step and make tons and tons of money. So here are the results of some of the people we helped before we even launched our 99% Done For You program. We helped these people, they made money, we got some results, testimonials, and we were 100% sure that in our unique system, beginner and regular people can make money. And then only we decided to launch our program. And after that, we never had to look back. We have tons and tons of success stories. All these beginner members earned high-ticket affiliate commissions from our 99% Done For You program. If you're interested to learn more, check the link in the description. It will take you to this training page. In this training website, you will see this video training. It's a free video training you can watch for free, no charge for that. But this will tell you exactly what we do and how we help beginners. After watching the full training, if you have any question, feel free to ask this AI chat assistant. But if you want to personally reach out to me and ask me questions, simply DM me on Instagram. Send me your questions to my Facebook Messenger and I'll be more than happy to answer. So after you actually help others and help them get results, it's time to teach others and make tons of money teaching. These will guarantee the results of your paid members. And that makes this whole course selling, paid consultation calls, business consultancy 100% legit. The only thing is you have to make sure that you are going with the right person. You're going with the person you like and you trust. You have to do your due diligence for that. And it's not hard. Just go ahead, send a DM to the person you want to work with. Have a conversation with them. If they're okay, hop on a Zoom call. If you like how they treat you, and if you feel that they are going to keep their promises, then just go for it. Give it a start. Some people ask me, what is the guarantee of results? The guarantee of results depend on you and your mentor. From your side, you need to follow instructions and you need to stay consistent. Stay consistent in following the method and stay consistent in improving your skill, improving your style, improving your action, improving everything 1% per day. And if you improve 1% per day, you will be 365% better in a whole year. Now tell me, my friend, how long have you been thinking? How long have you been planning? And how long have you been delaying? Should I say, how long have you been procrastinating? That's a negative word. So I would just say, if you are thinking, maybe it's time to take action because you can only become 365% better when you start today with the 1% improvement per day. Okay, now comes the mentor's part. The mentor should help you follow the program by giving you all kinds of support you need in order to follow the program. And the mentor should motivate you in order to stay consistent and ultimately improve yourself and get results. And a mentor should keep their promises, whatever they promised on the offer stage before you join the program. If they did it, their job is done. And if you do this, your job is also done. But when these two powers combine, success is inevitable. It's just a matter of time. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.